do you know that you can easily zoom some particular problematic area in Final Cut Pro very easily? Like for example, if we skim through our clip, we'll see that this type of object is there. I want to get rid of this portion only. So it's very difficult if the timeline is very small and if I cannot move my skim line or this cursor properly. So there is a easy way to zoom this particular problematic point. For example, this is the area, right? So from here it is starting, right? But it is very difficult to find out. So what we need to do, we need to zoom this area. We can easily zoom this area by holding command key and equal sign, and you'll see that this area will be zoomed. I mean, this timeline area will be zoomed. So let's see whether it is able to zoom it or not. So I'm going to click here like this. See here the problematic area remains same, but it zoomed the timeline so that we can easily clip it or cut it from this particular point. So I'm going to press command key and B key to cut it. So this is the problematic area. So I'm going to zoom again in the default timeline, and here I'm going to see where the object is coming in again. So from here again the object is coming, right? So here it is difficult. So I'm going to move my, I don't want to move my cursor over there. I just kept it, and then I'm holding command key and equal key all together, and see here it is zooming. Now I can easily find from where I need to cut. So here is the cut, because that object is coming after this point, and then hold command key B key together and it will cut. Now we can go back to our timeline and we can remove the unnecessary part. And now let's see whether that object is coming or not. Now if we try to play it, we'll see that object is not coming over here. And that's it. In this way we can easily like zoom the problematic area for different purposes, like to cut or to remove or to edit, like this inside Final Cut Pro. And the shortcut key is command key and equal key all together.